Hey there, guys, and welcome to Dispatching University channel. Today we're talking about the art of negotiating better load rates. If you want to maximize your clients' profits and secure the best rates for your loads, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. The first rule of successful negotiation is understanding your client's costs. Before entering any negotiation, calculate his operational expenses, including fuel, maintenance, insurance, and driver wages. This knowledge gives you a solid foundation and helps you determine the minimum acceptable rate for a load. Consider any additional expenses related to the specific load, such as tolls, permits, or detention time. By having a clear understanding of your costs, you can negotiate from a position of knowledge and confidently advocate for fair compensation. To negotiate effectively, you must be aware of the current market rates in the area your truck is. Do your homework and research the average rates for the type of load you're hauling, taking into account factors like distance, lane popularity, and seasonality. Utilize industry publications, online load boards, and networking with other trucking professionals to gather this information. Armed with market insights, you'll be better equipped to negotiate rates that align with industry standards. Building strong relationships with shippers and brokers can significantly improve your negotiation outcomes. Take the time to establish rapport and communicate regularly with your contacts in the industry. Networking events, trade shows, and social media platforms can all be valuable for building these connections. By nurturing relationships, you cultivate trust and increase your chances of receiving better load rates. Remember, the trucking industry is built on partnerships, so invest in cultivating those connections for long-term success. Communication is the key to successful negotiation. Be clear, concise, and professional in your conversations with shippers and brokers. Clearly articulate your expectations, requirements, and desired rates, while actively listening to their needs as well. Avoid aggressive or confrontational language, as it can create tension and hinder productive negotiations. Instead, adopt a collaborative approach, seeking win-win solutions that benefit both parties. While negotiation is crucial, it's equally important to know when to walk away from a deal that doesn't meet your requirements. If the rate offered is consistently below your operational costs or the market rate, it may be necessary to decline the load and seek better opportunities elsewhere. Remember, your time and resources are valuable, and accepting loads at unprofitable rates can negatively impact your client's business. Stay confident and stand firm in your decision to ensure the long-term sustainability of your operations. And there you have it, future dispatchers. Negotiating better load rates is a skill that can significantly impact the bottom line. By knowing your client's costs, researching market rates, building relationships, practicing effective communication, and knowing when to walk away, you'll position yourself for success in negotiations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. Remember, negotiation is an ongoing process, so keep refining your skills and seeking opportunities to improve.